I will go back because I think your point is extremely important. How do you protect yourself against 5G? Because you can't avoid it. If you can avoid it, that's the avoidance is in fact the key. If you can avoid it. If you can't avoid it, optimize your health. The healthier you are, the more the body's going to be able to repair and recover from the insults, from the irritations that you're constantly going to be getting. So it's when you're really out of balance that you don't repair, you don't recover, you don't rebalance. So the farther out of balance you are, the harder it is to get you back into balance. And the body does a good job of finding the best balance it can in the presence of imbalance. It's always going to do the best it can to get you as much balance as it possibly can, even though you're way out of balance. So PEMFs, the value of PEMFs is that they help to restore the natural vitality of the body. They help to decrease inflammation in the body. They help to repair and regenerate. So they make the body in general stronger, more vital. So you can't negate these Wi-Fi signals. There's nothing to reverse it. But people advertise these pendants and these other things that you could do to help you with your body's vitality and the signals. So they give you a frequency, but it's extremely weak. So in a sense, it's like earthing. Earthing is a good thing. There's no problems with earthing at all, but it's not strong enough. So you can't rely on earthing like you do with these pendants to save you from a blast of microwave. It's just not going to work. But PEMFs, like pendants should be doing, and they aren't because they're too weak, what PEMFs do is they're strong enough then to actually significantly push the body towards rebalance because of these natural sort of low frequency magnetic fields. And it's not radiation. It is a form of radiation, but it's what we call non-ionizing radiation.
We hope you enjoyed this short excerpt from the Health and Healing Club. This entire interview is available inside the Health and Healing Club, which you can try for a free 7-day trial at healthandhealingclub.com. You'll be able to access this interview and all the interviews and resources dedicated to helping you get and stay healthy at the Health and Healing Club. That's healthandhealingclub.com.